Hello everybody, it's my pleasure to be talking to you all. Welcome to the YouTube update from Sterling International Consulting, one of the largest process management consulting organization in the UAE. In this YouTube update, we are going to talk about ISO 9001 certification, the ISO 9001-2008 quality management system. Any organization looking to acquire and implement ISO 9000 QMS in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah or any other Emirates, we are the most authenticated source for consulting and certification services. How an organization in Dubai or Abu Dhabi can implement and achieve ISO 9000 certification? We as an organization, we have assisted and consulted more than 4,000 organizations across the world for successful certification with respect to different ISO standards. If you are looking at implementing ISO 9001 certification in your organization, irrespective of kind of business you are into, you can be a trading company, contracting company, engineering company, chemical company, petrochemical company. You might be in the hospitality industry or a medical equipment manufacturer. Any kind of business you are into, you need to ensure that output of your processes is consistent in nature. This is what we are trying to establish and achieve through an international standard for quality management system. How as an organization you can ensure consistency in your output. It can be product or service. How do you do that? In order to ensure consistency, you need to standardize your business processes. Now when you standardize your business processes, the benefits are huge. You will be able to save a lot of money, lot of efforts and a lot of resources that otherwise gets utilized for rework or repair or handling customer complaints. Now when you have a strong quality management system in place, due to your standardized business processes, chances of this kind of instances are very less. What do you achieve? You achieve right thing, right product or right service, the first go. This results in higher customer satisfaction, less number of customer complaints and creation of goodwill in the market. If you want to achieve ISO 9001 certification in UAE, we welcome you to visit our website www.uaeiso.com. How do you achieve the certification? What is the methodology? From our global experience and solid local expertise, we make the entire process of implementing ISO 9001 standard fruitful, practical and result oriented. We start with awareness training to ensure that everybody in the organization, they understand the basic concept of the standard, the requirements, what is expected out of them and what is not expected out of them. Having created a motivating environment in the organization, we move to the next phase, that is gap analysis. We study each and every process of your organization, covering all the departments, all the activities, all the functions. Try to establish and determine where you stand as on today, what is available, what is not available, and what additional compliances and gaps we need to plug in so that we achieve the required level of compliance. Once we establish the gap analysis, that gives us a very clear direction how to move further. On the basis of gap analysis, we work with your core team, your management representative, process representatives, and the core team that you identify for implementation to prepare, approve, and implement the documented quality management system. It necessarily includes quality policy, quality objectives, quality manual, standard operating procedures, process flowcharts, work instructions, templates, formats, checklist, or any other documentation if required as per output of the gap analysis. Now this documented system goes live. That means people start implementing the process. They start creating data. They start generating data. Record creation starts. Now once the record creation starts and system goes live, there can be a couple of iterations before it matures. We assist your team to modify the documents if required so that it achieves the required level of process and documentation maturity. We conduct an internal auditor training program to make sure that as an organization you have a team of competent internal auditors. What these people do? From our global experience, we can say that organizations who conduct a very rigorous, very thorough internal audits, they get the best of the benefits of the ISO 9001 system. It's basically a cross-functional audit. Process A will audit process B, process B will audit process C, and process C again audits process A. What do you do in internal audit? You basically try to establish and determine whether the particular process or department or function has been maintaining the required level of compliance or not. And you identify improvement opportunity. Remember, it is a fact-finding exercise, not a fault-finding exercise. We assist your team to conduct first round of internal audit after training your core team as an internal auditor. We help them close the findings of internal audit, suggest them improvement opportunities and improvement actions, work with them to ensure the required level of compliance has been achieved. After that, we do one more audit called as pre-assessment audit or pre-certification audit, which is basically done from our side to ensure that you as an organization, you are 100% ready, all the compliances are in place, and you are in the position to successfully face a certification audit. Once we are confident of your system compliance, we invite the certification body with your assistance. You have a choice to identify and select the certification body of your choice. If you want our assistance, we can help you identify certification body depending on your budget and other requirements. Or you are free to determine and invite our certification body for certification compliance audit. The certification audit is done by the identified certification body in 2 rounds, stage 1 audit and stage 2 audit. Stage 1 audit is mainly the document compliance audit and macro level audit, and stage 2 is your actual compliance and process performance audit. On the basis of certification audit conducted by the certification body, your organization gets recommended for certification and ultimately you achieve a certification. Now, as an organization, Sterling International Consulting offers services that goes beyond your stage 1, stage 2 audits and your achievement of certification. We always believe that certification is just an exercise that you have done. It is not the final output. Your final output, final outcome is improvement in your business performance. So we continually keep on working with your team to ensure that you get the best out of the ISO 9001 quality management system. We provide our regular services for training, retraining, internal audits, implementation assistance, business performance review, and so on and so forth. We are glad that you are looking to implement this internationally accepted and internationally practiced quality management system. Contact us, speak to us, we will have no regrets. With our international team of quality management system consultants, you can only get better and better with us. We ensure you 100% professional implementation services, time-bound services, that results in certification as well as improvement in your business processes. Thank you very much, gentlemen and ladies. Appreciate your time and looking forward to partner your organization for ISO 9000 system implementation. Kindly do visit our website www.uaeiso.com or send us an email at info@uaeiso.com. You will receive a reply within 4 working hours and we can always assist you and provide our expert services for our implementation services. Thank you very much.